Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Wala po kayo nakikita. Hindi ko po ito ginugel. Happy birthday, Sir Don. I would like to say that I'm so happy that I joined JDC Manila. And on this special day, may you be gifted with life's biggest joys and never-ending bliss. I hope this reminds you that failures are the stepping stones to success. And that this day is to take a moment to reflect on the amazing person you are and all the incredible things yet to come. Age is just a number, sir.
Wow.
Happy birthday!
Anak ko mahilig yan na. Yung sa last part yung striking eh.
Happy birthday!
Anak ko po yan na. Set ko sa akin. Dahil po wala po si Marvin. Wala po kayo. Wala po kayo ngayon. Wala niyo pong birthday. Siyempre, bakit may message ka dito? Hindi, dapat mag-message ka. Hindi, araw-araw na eh. Araw-araw na lang nagme-message. Ano to? Mag-message ka na. Ganito kasi yun. Yung bata ko. Ganito po yung buhay namin. Tapos ngayon, pares pala kami. Now, so, sige, to give you a background, so, mamaya tayo matatapos mga clouds. So, nung first talaga nag-join ako kay Sir Don, wala akong makilala sa party na yun. Totoo yun. Si Sir Don naman kilala ko that time. That was after Pride, no? After Pride 2022. Yun po ako ng first na nag-attend dito. After pandemic.
Hey,
so,
Juliet!
Sir Don, sa probinsya ko. Taga-Leyte po talaga ako, but I'm based in Cebu, so working as a Japanese interpreter, a travel consultant, article writer, content writer, gano'n. So, madami po tayong racket kasi nga, hindi tayo pinanganak na mayaman. Ayan. But I enjoyed my life, my journey. Tapos, pinagpapasalamat ko because of those journey na na-experience ko, na-meet ko doon si Sir Don. So, yung community na, community na mga activities. So, nag-start din yung program niya actually sa kids, para sa kids. So, nag-volunteer ako doon, ganyan. Yun yung started kina Ma'am Doc, kina Doc Jen. Yun yung first namin ng mga activities. Tapos, after nun, yung 2022 na Pride, bumalik kasi ako si Cebu, in-invite nila ako para mag-attend sa Pride. So just to watch, no? And then if I can assist them as well. Ayun lang, nag-assist lang ako. Tapos nag-attend ako ng birthday. After nun, nag-enjoy ako sa community ng fashion, kahit hindi ako fashionista. Ayun. And then, after that, nakita ni Sir Don yung potential ko din.
Ano po?
Feeling ko lang yun, kasi piningero naman talaga ako. Ayun, na mag-join dun sa team niya. So I started assisting them dun sa mga activities. Nung nag-umpisa pa lang, palagi ako umuwi sa Cebu, pag-event, pag-uwi sa Cebu, babalik dito sa event. Ganun yung plano until na nag-decide ako na tumuloy sa kanila. So doon po ako nag-stay for how many months?
May explanation pa. Wow!
Drawing ko na ginawa po ng aking kuya.
No? Pinesil yung ganyan.
It's the memories I made with this film. Pero wait, may message po ako na ulit. Pero this time hindi po tulugin. Ano po to? Pinag-isipan ko po to. Happy birthday, Sir Don. Though a bit older, you're still as handsome as ever, Sir Don. Happiest birthday ever. From the mom to you, extravagant escape for us. I'm so proud and happy that I started my journey from Alexis Fashion Model. I hope na kayo doon. I wish you the best, Sir Don. Happiest birthday of my day.
Meron pa, may PS.
Happy birthday, Sir Don. Not gonna lie, I actually thought of you. But aside that, I wish you the best. Since you were the first designer I ever joined, to become an actual model wasn't really on my table. But I'm so glad I decided to join Team Model. I feel proud whenever Dr. Stonewall gets the recognition it deserves, and I feel that we're proud. Mama Abel wanted to say that we're officially 49 years old.
Oh my God! Dito po ako ng ng nanay mo.
Yung sinusulat ko po yan, sabi niyo sabihin ko 49 years old na siya. It exposed ko.
Saan mo ito pinaglihi?